Hi everyone, this is Team SettleX. Every month, over $15 billion flows across blockchains through bridges. Yet, every bridge today wastes capital by moving gross amounts instead of net results. SettleX solves this. We are the first confidential, compliant, chain-agnostic clearing layer for stablecoins, purpose-built for institutions powered by Axelar from day one. We cut bridging costs by up to 90% through multilateral netting. Just as CLS and DTCC quietly settle trillions in traditional finance every day, SettleX brings that same efficiency and privacy to cross-chain stablecoin flows. As finance moves on-chain, trillions will settle in stablecoins, and they'll need a trusted clearing layer. That's why SettleX is inevitable. The problem. Today, crypto bridging is stuck in an outdated model. Every cross-chain transfer bridges full amount publicly and inefficiently. This kills traditional capital efficiency, fragments liquidity, drives up costs, and exposes trading strategies and counterparties. Institutions cannot scale in this environment. Traditional finance solved these issues decades ago with netting and clearing houses. Crypto is still waiting. How we aim to solve this? SettleX solves this by netting flows instead of bridging gross amounts. We run a confidential rollup. Transactions are encrypted by default but can be selectively decrypted for regulators. Our advanced netting algorithm aggregates cross-chain obligations and computes just the net delta. That net delta is bridged via Axelar across EVM, SVM, and alternative VMs. And Axelar makes us chain agnostic and settlement ready across ecosystems. Here's our architecture. Our architecture follows a hub and spoke model. These flows shows that spoke contracts live on different chains, capturing cross-chain flows. These flows are aggregated in the SettleX rollup via Axelar GMP, where we run a multilateral netting algorithm. The rollup computes the net delta, and only that delta is bridged back to the right chains through Axelar. Instead of bridging gross amounts, we bridge only the difference. So for example, if 100k flows one way and 110k the other, the current bridges need 210k, whereas SettleX nets it to just 10k. Market. And why now? The market is massive and inevitable. Cross-chain bridge volumes hit $14 billion in July 2025. Stablecoins are already at a total of $277 billion. TradFi proves the model. CLS clears $7 trillion daily, DTCC clears 3.7 quadrillion annually. So institutions are now coming on-chain. They will need a clearing and netting layer, and that's SettleX. Why is Axelar critical for our architecture? Axelar is the glue that makes SettleX possible. Without Axelar, we would juggle the dozens of per-chain integrations. With Axelar, we get chain-agnostic connectivity and battle-tested security. What's the value SettleX provides to the Axelar ecosystem? For Axelar, SettleX means more flows, more volume, and stickier integrations. Every netting cycle generates multi-chain messages and liquidity, bridging via Axelar. Decentralized apps and treasuries onboard to Axelar through us. And together, we unlock institution-ready narratives, confidentiality, compliance, and capital efficiency. In short, Axelar becomes the backbone of cross-chain settlement. We are already validated. We were the runners-up in the QuickNode Accelerator, which won $400k in infrastructure credits. And we are also already backed by partners like QuickNode, Avail, Fota, and Fairblock. We have the credibility and the ecosystem support to execute. Our business model is pretty simple. We charge 1 to 4 BPS on gross settlements volume. Move $1 million, pay just $200. Meet our team. Ayush Gupta, founder of SettleX, smart contract developer with experience at Lighthouse IYK, Spreadify, Cypherin, and winner of 10 plus hackathons. Suvranil, the founding engineer, a full stack developer, employed as analyst at Accenture, winner of 15 plus hackathons. Harsh, the UI UX designer at Rise Labs and Cypher, with experience in designing clean Web3 dashboards and dApps. So, our ask for today. We are raising a $1 million pre-seed, 60% of which goes to product development and the rest to growth and compliance. Stablecoin clearing settlement is inevitable. The only question is, who builds the layer? And whom does the institutions trust? That's SettleX. Join us.